In this lesson 3 video, I'm gonna walk through some essential steps which a website needs, like themes, plugins, and Ninja forms. What we have to install in the backend. So how our website was look like. Okay.
Actually, I forgot to show you how to log in your WordPress, so that's why I'm creating this video. First, you have to write your domain name, so /wp hyphen admin slash. You have to type this one, and this is the URL you have to log in without your Bluehost. So where you will be redirect to this login. You have to create your username and login ID while creating your website live on the Bluehost. Okay, so I had created mine. So go to the login. This is my backend, and you have to do some basic settings which previously post, like we have to delete buttons because we don't need this one. I'm deleting this previous post. Select one and move to trash. Click on the trash button and go to the pages. We don't need old pages, so I'm deleting this one also. So click on that, move to trash, and click to apply, and go to the appearance, click themes. Actually this was the 2020 theme which was not okay, so we need a good theme for that, and this is the basic theme. Need a good theme with good features. Okay, so I'm getting back. Okay, go to the settings and click permalinks. We have to change our URL permalink. So plain it was very ugly URL, so we go to the post name because it is the URL which will look like very professional and good looking. So click the save changes, and this is the basic things you have to done. Go to the appearance, click themes, where we're gonna install a new theme which would get some more features. So okay, click add new, and search for Astra. So it was a very good theme where we can get so many templates, pre-made templates. Okay, so click it, install it one, click on activate. For this theme we need some starter templates. So actually I am deleting this, the old theme, we don't want this. And go to the plugins, click here add new, and we're gonna install a plugin related this theme. Search for starter templates, click install now, click activate. So let's check it on appearance. Click appearance, and there is a starter templates option, so click that one. And I recommend you to skip this step. Don't build here your website, so don't click this like this built your website now. So skip this step and get back. And now we are gonna install some essential plugins which is required to build our website. So go to the plugin section, search Elementor, install it, and search Elementor header and footer. Click to install now, and search for Invato. Install this one, and search for Ninja forms. Click to install now. Don't activate here, we will activate on bulk action. Okay, so search UST SEO, click here install, and search for Smush. It is very useful plugin to compress your all images. And search for SSL certificate to get our website security, and search for W3 total cache. So install now. It is useful for to clear your cache and catches, and search for updraft plus plugin. You will create your backup, and then search for join.chat to create a WhatsApp chat boot for your website, and search for WordFence to save our website from any malware and virus things. Okay, so click here to install now, and then go to the plugins, click to the installed plugins. Here we got our installed all plugins, and we have to activate them. Select in bulk and click to activate and apply. Now our every plugin is activated for new feature on our website. So our plugins are all activated. Next lesson I will show you how to design your website, and through these plugins how we can add more options to our website and like more features. So thank you for watching this lesson. Watch my next lesson for more designing things. Okay.